Okay, we reach a new view each and every day. Those minutes, those moments, those new handling condition which you face on every day. You can start new points. What new on today? That's why those lessons which you started are there once again. I continue them. That's why name of lesson inside that. When you study about that lessons are the number of points are covered. I am not saying more about them, but those points which are covered, once again I sell all one type of morphology, one type of all headlines. What is the real meaning of inside that term? 4 different question, molecular formula. After one we study about historical development, which can be carried up to Rutherford, started from Canaan. That's why sequence going on related with number of scientists, number of discovery, number of names, structure of it. Deeper, he is saying its own opinion, which they want, they can describe in front of world. We start from Canaan, after one Democritus, after one J.J. Thomson, after one John Dalton. Last of all, we reach just one phase, one level where Rutherford, excellent construction, excellent output conclusion, each and every which are related with better problem. That's where we are. Rutherford experiment, scattering of alpha particles, how they are constructed, which are the placement, which real fuel status they can be placed to show. That are the real structure of it. But today, which output they can be showing in the form of atomic structure. That's why teaching point, teaching. Atomic structure. Sir, new points are what do you mean by atom? I know very well. If you observe that atoms are there, that time he shows that atomic structure classified subunits again redivided. There are the two parts, two portions, two regions. One is the nucleus, one part, first part is. It is said by Rutherford, all out, all right evaluation, right charges, right mass, whatever charge, location, each and every which can be shown for particular particles, right in mass. That's why Rutherford, ultimate and stoppable bold, not non-stoppable, stoppable bold for that theory. That's why when you observe that atomic structure according to Rutherford, it can be classified into two major ways. First of all, nucleus, and second, those parts which are remain from nucleus. That's why atomic structure, that Rutherford says that it can be classified into two parts. First of all, nucleus, and second of all, extranuclear part. From that consideration, those point of angle which can be shown by Rutherford are there, they can be classified into major spaces. First of all, central part known as nucleus, named proposed parts, and those are the remaining from nucleus. It is known as extra out, remain, left out. Those are the not included in nucleus. It is known as extra nucleus. That's why when you observe deep study about them, that time nucleus, which are the whole mass of it, whole weight of it, can be concentrated inside nucleus. That nucleus consists of two major particles. First of all is the proton, and last of all is the neutron. That's why it is known as not nucleus, nucleons. First part here start, which are there, those are the central core which are present names are that he says that nucleus, Raman also from my side. J.J. Thomson and Dalton not showing it is one type of all rigid structure and number of they can be placed. I say all alpha particle move through straight line, that time there is a single hole, single region which consists of two particles, proton as well as neutron. It is known as nucleons. That's why nucleus made from two nucleon particles. First of all, proton is there. Second of all, neutron. Next of all, which characteristics which can be observed near side of proton? This student in your textbook, which is silent which name, which showing their function, it can be given simultaneously one by one. Proton, neutron related with nucleus, and those are the extranuclear parts which are related with electron. Here we come here to one part, nucleus. See proton. First characteristics. Proton can be shown by P capital. Second, proton have charge 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Proton have mass, it has its own weight 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram or Dalton. Proton, number of proton is equal to number of electron denoted by atomic Z. See student, first particle near to study. If you observe detail them as concerned to proton, specific symbol, sign, notation, convention, which identification, how I observe, there is a proton sound. That's how proton can be written by using symbol P, capital. If you want to show certain types of letter, Rutherford shows that I can be given first letter of that word which is in capital form. That's why P, nothing but number of proton can be shown by P letter. In short, these are the first silent feature can be given from Rutherford. Proton is denoted by P. Second of all,